Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best glass camera is probably one of the most innovative advancements in personal photography and videography, offering unparalleled clarity and durability for capturing life's moments. This cutting-edge technology merges the aesthetic appeal of glass with the functional robustness required for everyday use and professional applications, ensuring your memories are preserved with exceptional detail and protection against the elements. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or a casual user, the integration of glass into camera design represents a significant leap forward in image quality and device resilience, making it a compelling choice for anyone seeking the pinnacle of visual capture technology. Number 5. MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloths, 2-pack. Introducing our premium microfiber cleaning cloths, designed to tackle dust, oil, and smudges. They leave surfaces spotless without scratches or lint. Perfect for your eyeglasses, these cloths ensure crystal clear vision. They are the ideal stocking stuffer for anyone who wears glasses. Keep all your screens pristine with our versatile microfiber cloths. They work wonders on phone, tablet, and TV screens. Each cloth comes individually sealed in a poly bag, ensuring it's always fresh and ready for use. They measure 6 by 7 inches. From delicate electronics like laptops and cameras to mirrors and car interiors, these cloths are safe for all your valuable items. Experience magical results on the items you care about most. Trust MagicFiber for a superior clean. What we like. This cleaning cloth is designed for ultimate clarity. It effectively removes dust, oil, and fingerprints without leaving any scratches or lint behind. If you're looking for a pristine finish on your glasses, lenses, or screens, this is the perfect choice for maintaining your delicate electronics and eyewear. What people say. The camera has a very clear picture quality, even in low light conditions. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with home decor. Installation was straightforward and the app is user-friendly. Number 4. Cloarks 2K Pan Tilt Security Camera. Enjoy crystal clear 2K live streaming and recordings from anywhere, day or night. Keep an eye on your loved ones and home with exceptional clarity, even in the dark. It provides continuous protection and can be easily shared with family. Experience intelligent motion detection powered by AI, without any extra fees. It accurately identifies people and pets, sending instant alerts to your phone so you never miss a moment. Stay connected with real-time two-way audio. You can talk to your family, pets, or even deter intruders directly through the app. The one-click call feature makes initiating conversations simple. Achieve complete peace of mind with 360-degree coverage. Its smart pan and tilt capabilities allow it to track movement and capture everything happening in your home, all viewable on your phone. Choose how you store your footage with support for both TF cards and cloud storage. Enjoy a free trial of advanced features like custom alert areas and enhanced cloud memory. What we like. Experience crystal clear monitoring day and night with this advanced security camera. Its AI motion detection ensures you're alerted to important events, and the color night vision provides detailed visibility even in darkness. If you need to keep a close eye on your home, baby, or pets with reliable, continuous surveillance, this camera offers peace of mind. What people say. Picture is clear. One of the great features is the motion detection and being able to talk through the camera. The video clarity is exceptional, crystal clear both during the day and in night mode. The motion activation is a standout feature, sending alerts whenever movement is detected. The image looks clear in 2K and I can move the camera to see the whole room. I also like that it warns when it detects movement. Number 3. Girafit 3MP 2K Window Camera. Experience breathtaking visuals with our 3MP Ultra HD camera. Its advanced color night vision provides daylight clarity, even in complete darkness. Stay informed with intelligent alerts sent directly to your device. It notifies you of any unusual activity, keeping you one step ahead. Installation is a breeze with its innovative peel and stick design and Bluetooth connectivity. You can set it up quickly, regardless of your technical experience. Keep your home and memories safe with continuous recording. You can choose between local SD card storage or secure cloud storage with robust privacy measures. Effortlessly share access with family and friends. Monitor up to 4 camera feeds simultaneously from your smartphone or tablet for comprehensive control. What we like. Achieve stunning visual clarity with this high-resolution security camera, featuring advanced color night vision for lifelike images in any light. Its incredibly simple installation process means you can secure your home in minutes. If you prioritize ease of setup and superior image quality for your home security needs, this camera is an excellent, hassle-free option. What people say. The video quality is super clear, especially in 2K, and it connects easily to both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which made setup fast and simple. The AI color night vision is a standout feature. Even in low light, the footage looks bright and detailed. The motion and person detection work really well too, sending alerts right away when someone's near the camera. The video quality is awesome, the night vision is just stunning. The cable is long enough to connect to the nearest power outlet. You can check your recordings via the free app on your iPhone and delete anything of no importance. The camera also has never disconnected or quit working. The camera is very easy to set up. It can connect to either 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks. The camera uses the Cloarks AI color night vision technology to view night scenes in vivid color. The IR lights does not show reflections, which is very nice. The adhesive-backed mounting frame sticks securely to the window. 2 years of product warranty is included. Number 2. Funstorm 2025 Upgraded Security Camera. Meet the newly upgraded Funstorm 2025 security camera, designed to provide you with peace of mind. It offers exceptional 4K UHD picture and video quality, ensuring you see every detail clearly. Experience crystal clear visuals with its advanced 4K resolution and high-definition lens. Even in low light conditions, its superior night vision capabilities ensure comprehensive monitoring, covering a wide 110 degrees angle. Forget frequent charging. This device boasts an impressive 100-day standby life thanks to its high-capacity rechargeable battery. It's always ready to protect your space without interruption. Keep an eye on what matters most with real-time monitoring. Through our intuitive app, you can access live footage effortlessly from anywhere, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. Receive instant notifications on your phone whenever unusual activity is detected. Its smart motion detection ensures you are always aware of potential intruders, providing timely updates. We are committed to your satisfaction. Our dedicated 24/7 customer support team is always available to assist you with any questions or issues, ensuring a seamless experience. What we like. Enjoy unparalleled image quality and freedom from frequent charging with this upgraded security camera. Its 4K resolution captures every detail, and the exceptional battery life ensures long-term, wireless protection. If you need a high-performance, wire-free camera that offers both stunning visuals and extended operational time, this is the ideal solution for discreet and convenient surveillance. What people say. The camera is roughly the size of a ping-pong ball and is seriously easy to use. I charged it up, downloaded the app, connected to my phone and Wi-Fi, and mounted it outside of my door within minutes. The picture is extremely clear, even with night vision. I set it up to alert me when it senses movement, and you can choose to record for 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, or continuously. The video quality is sharp and clear, even in low light or night vision mode. Setup was quick and easy with the app, and I love that I can check live footage from anywhere. The motion detection alerts are fast and accurate, so always know what's happening at home. Battery life lasts far longer than I expected. Number 1. ZOSI Indoor 2K Pan Tilt Smart Security Camera. Never miss a moment. This smart camera detects people and automatically tracks their movement, sending instant alerts to your phone. Stay informed about what's happening at home, anytime, anywhere. See, hear, and speak to your loved ones or pets through the camera. With a simple touch, family members can even call you directly via the app, keeping you connected. Experience ultra-clear live streaming in 2K resolution. It provides a sharp view of your home, ensuring you don't miss any details, whether it's monitoring babies or pets. Enjoy a stable and fast connection with support for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands. This ensures reliable performance for your monitoring needs. See clearly even in the dark with 3MP night vision up to 33 feet. Access your camera feed remotely from your phone, providing peace of mind day and night. Choose your preferred storage method with support for memory cards or cloud services. You can also customize privacy zones to protect your personal space. What we like. This smart security camera offers exceptional detail and intelligent tracking capabilities. Its 360 degrees human tracking ensures no movement goes unnoticed, and the dual-band Wi-Fi provides a stable, fast connection. If you're looking for comprehensive coverage and advanced person detection to monitor your home, pets, or children, this camera delivers reliable and dynamic surveillance. What people say. The picture is pretty clear at nighttime and daytime. The C518 camera from ZOSI exceeded my expectations. The image quality is its strongest feature. It also has a simple but reliable and effective UI. The ZOSI Indoor Pan Tilt Smart Security Camera, C518 2K, offers impressive features for home surveillance. With its pan and tilt functionality, it provides comprehensive coverage of the monitored area. The 2K resolution ensures clear and detailed footage, enhancing security monitoring capabilities. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.